अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अगली एंड ट्रैवलिंग। खुश आमदेद जियान और बखैर अगले। आज के ब्लॉग में मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक फेस्टिवल चल रहा है वो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, उसके व्यूज़। इसको बोलते हैं किंगजिंगटन मार्केट विंटर सोल्स्टिस फेस्टिवल, और पहले इसको किंगजिंगटन मार्केट फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स बोलते थे, लेकिन अभी इसको किंगजिंगटन मार्केट विंटर सोल्स्टिस फेस्टिवल बोलते हैं। हेलो। हाय। ओह। तो आगे चल के मैं आपको व्यूज़ दिखाता हूँ यहाँ के, कि लेट्स सी यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है किंगजिंगटन मार्केट में। और ये लोकेशन बिल्कुल यहाँ पर ऑगस्टा एवेन्यू और ऑक्सफोर्ड स्ट्रीट के इंटरसेक्शन में है ये। और ये फेस्टिवल हर साल होता है, ईयरली होता है यहाँ पर। और सॉरी, रोड ब्लॉक किए हुए हैं। आगे मेन इवेंट चल रहा है। तो ये इवेंट हर साल होता है। ये 1988 से स्टार्ट हुआ था, और इसको सोल्स्टिस इसलिए बोलते हैं कि लाइक इसका मतलब टाइम या डेट होता है, वक्त या तारीख़, जो हर साल 2 बार होता है साल में, जिस पर सूरज अपने वक्त से ज़्यादा या कम से कम ज़वाल को पहुंचता है। यानी कि हर साल द लॉन्गेस्ट नाइट या द शॉर्टेस्ट नाइट। तो ये अभी क्योंकि दिसंबर का महीना है, तो ये लॉन्गेस्ट नाइट है आज, जो साल में तकरीबन 2 टाइम्स होता है। 21 जून को होता है अराउंड, और 21 दिसंबर या 22 दिसंबर को होता है। तो आज 21 दिसंबर है। टोरंटो में एज़ यूजुअल हर साल यहाँ पर ये किंगजिंगटन सोल्स्टिस फेस्टिवल चल रहा है। लेट्स सी कि यहाँ पर हमको क्या मिलता है, कौन से व्यूज़ मिलते हैं। काफ़ी सारी परफॉर्मेंसेस होने वाली हैं यहाँ पर। फायर आर्टिस्ट भी आए हुए हैं। लेट्स सी, काफ़ी सारे लोग आए हैं एक्चुअली, और टेम्परेचर भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंडा है। बर्ड है, तो टेम्परेचर काफ़ी ठंडा है, -16 है इस टाइम। किंगजिंगटन सोल्स्टिस फेस्टिवल। काफ़ी सारे लोग आए हैं। इवन इतनी सर्दी है आज, -16 चल रहा है, फिर भी लोग आए हुए हैं। पर भी कुछ चल रहा है।
Madonna. Hi Jess. Hi Juneta. How are you?
stuck. So many people.
Sego Sigoli. My name is Kathy. I'm a strong-hearted woman. I'm European and Mohawk descent. My family comes from Kennesadake, but I was born and raised in Toronto. And we're going to open with a community song. This song came to me about 5 years ago, and it was at a time where we were at the show that we were doing right now. And it was a very stressful time. And I remember I was coming home from the show, and I was trying to decompress from that. And I was on the bus, and I got off on my stop, and a lady got off on the stop as well, and she said to me, "I saw you singing at Kensington Market for the Solstice parade." And I said, "I'm glad that you were there, thank you." And she said, "I got a lot of healing from those songs that you women were singing with the drum." And it just reminded me that a lot of us performers, we put a lot of work into our crafts, especially everyone here tonight. Sometimes we forget that, you know, it gets really stressful for us, but when we get together as a community and we put that healing forward, you guys get to receive that healing, and it's also good for us to remember that. So it's always good to remember that when we're here together, you know, on such a night, such a special night like Solstice, or any time we get together to do that good healing, no matter what we're going through in our personal lives or in the community, if we have beef with one another or stresses in our lives, when we come together on nights like this, we give out that good healing, and good healing is always received. So nyawe miigwech.
Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. Hi Jess, Juneta, how are you? How are you doing? This is my first time at this event. I think there will be some performances like fire performers.
Good evening. How y'all doing, Kensington Market? What? This is a big street. That's all y'all got? Come on. How y'all doing, Kensington Market? All right. Happy Solstice, everyone. My name is Isaiah Keita. This is my good friend, Elijah Stevens. And this is my family. This is my partner, Nicole Levesque. And our wonderful children. This is Indiana. This is Nazarene. And we're here to share a little bit of our style of singing and dancing with y'all. This is the jingle dress, and we're gonna do two styles of dance, or two different songs for y'all. And I hope you enjoy it. I don't have much time to get into all the info for y'all, so look it up on YouTube. Do your research. We got a shoe malfunction right now. Just give us 1 second. But that first style of song, that's normally we call that a straight song or an intertribal song. This next style of song is the sidestep. This is the main song for this dress. So I hope y'all enjoy it.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, everyone is here. The energy is amazing. Thank you so much for being here. This is the 35th year of the Kensington Market Winter Solstice. We're so excited to gather together again on the 35th anniversary. Thanks to all for coming to enjoy a wintry evening of generous spirit. Please wander and wonder at the beauty of our shared intercultural heritage through the streets of our beloved Kensington Market. Yeah! As we gather to celebrate and honor the winter solstice, we also recognize the sacred land in which we live and work. Red Pepper Spectacle acknowledges that we are situated upon the traditional territory of many nations, including the Mississaugas of the Credit, the Anishinaabe, the Chippewa, the Haudenosaunee, and the Huron-Wendat peoples, and is now home to many diverse First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples. Toronto, derived from the Kenyan Keha word Takaranto, meaning where the trees stand in the water. This territory is covered by Treaty 13, signed with the Mississaugas of the Credit, and the Williams Treaties, signed with multiple Mississaugas and Chippewa bands. This territory is also the subject of the Dish with One Spoon Wampum Belt Covenant, a treaty between the Anishinaabe, Mississaugas, and Haudenosaunee that bound them together to share, care, and protect the land, air, and water surrounding the Great Lakes. We aim to support and advance progress towards the 94 calls to action outlined in the Truth and Reconciliation Commission of so-called Canada. Decolonization is not just theory, it is real life and right now. When I say land, you say back, land! Land Back is a movement that is on the ground and will only continue to grow. Back in April of this year, the BC government officially recognized the Haida Nation's title to all Haida Gwaii land, including over 200 islands. Land! If you have not yet watched Yinta, please watch it. It is a mandatory documentary watch for all settlers. It came out earlier this year, and it is now available on Netflix. It documents the Wet'suwet'en resistance to Canadian colonialism and the Coastal GasLink pipeline on their unceded territory. They recently concluded their closing arguments in court, and a decision on the hearing will be made in February of 2025. Land! More locally speaking, Toronto Indigenous Harm Reduction has been doing winter street outreach since 2022. They are an Indigenous, two-spirit, queer, and trans-led group who are currently accepting one-time gifts, monthly gifts, and purchased items from their registry to provide survival supplies to individuals who have been displaced throughout the city on some of the coldest nights of the year. Red Pepper is grateful to our Indigenous partnerships for building community collaborative projects and raising awareness of our shared responsibility that supports Indigenous resurgence and sovereignty. Land! We reflect on the knowledge that the organization's founders were settlers and that historically our work has made consistent, concerted efforts to include and champion the voices and needs of Indigenous artists. We are committed to carrying out the work with greater and more meaningful engagement with Indigenous artists, and we are so thrilled to present our opening performances from traditional Anishinaabe singers and drummers, all of which are lifelong community arts partners and cultural leaders. Thank you, Tote Sai and Che Magwech, to Spirit Wind singers Isaiah Kara and Elijah Stevens singers and dancers, Nicole Levick, Indy Levick, Kara. Am I pronouncing it wrong? Thank you for your patience. And Nazarene Pope, Marie Godet, Emily Godet, Dick singers. Thank you so much. Please give them a warm round of applause.
I can't see you. Ani Bosho, Minadota Makwana Tishikaz, Mishiketo Dem. My name is Marie Godet. and I'm here tonight with my beautiful daughter Emily Rose, and we are here to share some songs with you. And the first song that we are going to sing is a song that greets our grandfather's son. So in our ways and our ways of knowing and being, we have always made that acknowledgement at this time, like many, many other cultures and nations around the world. Us too, we had that opportunity to give thanks for grandfather's son and for all that he brings, all the warmth and the light, and so all the home fires. And in this time, we use this time to share and reflect and tell stories and have our ceremonies and eat food and dance and sing. So we're going to sing a song to Mishomis Gizes, the grandfather's son. Gibi Skabiong, you're returning. And so we are very grateful and thankful. My love is stuck. To get you involved with the singing. I hope you all have good singing voices, but if you don't, sing anyways. This is a song that's been composed by Perta Faye, and she came to share this song with us in Toronto here with some of the women singers. And anyways, it's a really beautiful song, and I love singing it. And so the part that you're going to do, we're going to practice right now first. So for whatever I sing, you repeat back to me, okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Way ha,
Way ha,
way hey,
way hey,
way yeah,
way yeah,
way ya,
way ya,
way yeah,
way yeah,
way yeah,
way ya,
way yeah,
way yeah,
way yeah.
way yeah.
Away ham,
Away ha,
away hey,
away hey,
away yeah,
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 away yeah.
away yeah.
All right, so we're going to
Wow,
sing a song,
I'm a good
the other
singer.
part to the song, and then we're going to sing 2 verses, and then we're going to do this call and response. You ready? We hey, oh, way, yeah. We way, hey, oh, way, oh, way, hey,
Thank you, Juneta, for the reminder.
No more encores.
Okay, show of hands, raise your hand if you went to the very first winter solstice. Anybody? I can't see, look around, you gotta see your neighbors. Oh, I see someone over there, 35 years. That person came here 35 years ago. Raise your hand if this is your first time. Wow, wow. Okay. Welcome to the space. Welcome to this beautiful celebration. Raise your hand if you've been like 3 to 5 times. Intermediate level. Okay, a lot of intermediate levels here. You know, talk to the new people, welcome them, tell them all your stories. Raise your hand if you grew up coming here. Yeah, noise counts too. Let's go. Amazing. Well, we're all here to have an amazing time. I'm your MC tonight, Hanya, and we're so excited to gather. There's obviously the main stage. There's also warming stations, art installations, live music, theatrical scenarios, roaming ensembles with puppets, stilters, and fire arts. I know the Chinatown Fire Department is in the house tonight, so there's so much to do. This area, there will be programming happening all night, but please also wander the market. Check out what's going on. Little surprises everywhere waiting for you in every pocket and corner of this neighborhood of Kensington Market. The public is invited to wander throughout the visiting sites of animation to observe the return to light on the longest night. We will reflect on the warm glow of the hearth, expanding our connection to community and our sense of belonging. Make some noise if you feel a sense of belonging right now. Hey, can't forget the back of the stage. I can't hear you. Back of the stage. All right. Are you guys ready? Okay, make some noise! Hello, hello,
Oh, it's snowing. Thank you, Jess. Thank you. You're still there.
When I say first, you say light. First. Light. First. Light. When I say winter, you say solstice. Winter. Solstice. Winter. Solstice. Give it up for yourselves.
Yes, Jess, it was really nice.
That was incredible. Gabby was spitting fire. Richard Underhill was playing the horn and it was on fire. Come on, it was on fire. Next up, this lineup tonight is so incredible. Please stick around. I'm so excited to introduce Takani. Yeah, Takani! They're a contemporary fusion band formed in 2017 and based in Toronto, Takaranto, Canada, Turtle Island. Its members, Luis Rojas, Guillermo Lopez, Isaías, Jesus Mora, and Camilo Jardo. I'm trying! All have their roots further south in the Americas. Takani is a Nahuatl term that means the one who plants. Oh, sorry.
Oh, frustrated, happy.
Oh no, phones!
Yeah. Where are you now? You're in Ontario somewhere, right? Why you did not come?
Thank you. Thank you for everyone's patience. Okay. They all have their roots further south in the Americas. Takani is a Nahuatl term that means the one who plants the seeds. This group of friends seeks to explore ancient pre-Hispanic traditions and reinterpret them for the present day, interweaving Nahuatl language, mythology, urban legends, popular stories, and the sounds of everyday city life to both connect them to their ancestry and to use traditional ways of knowing and doing. Please warm them up with your clapping, your voice, your sounds, your arms, your body. Welcome to Connie!
That was nice, amazing. It's just
Muchas gracias.
my hands are shivering, so I can't hold the phone.
Tonight.
Yes, frustrated, happy.
We are Takani. We are so happy to
It's
be
really
here.
fun.
We would love to share a couple of songs and I don't even know what to say. Yeah. This piece is coming. The name is Ensontle, which is when you think about the storytelling in Mexico with the Nahuatl indigenous language, is the bird who has the capacity to mimic 500 different languages of the bird. Languages, no, the sounds of the bird. So this piece, the name is Sensontle.
There we go. Yes, you are right. Happy. Looks like you've been here before. Yeah.
And after all this ceremonial Mexican way, it's time for a change. How did I know that, bro? Yeah, so, next song, it's about being in a supermarket.
Thank you, Jess.
Or like, no, that's not a supermarket. ¡Chale, Memo! ¡Si son nosotros! ¡Párate! ¡Número cámara, vámonos! Aparentemente están abandonando la unidad de todas las unidades. Están dirigiéndose a pie. Están
Really cold.
Refrigeradores o algo de fierro viejo que vendan. Se va a llevar sus ricos y calientitos tamales oaxaqueños. Ricos y deliciosos tamales oaxaqueños. So cool, come on. Se va a llevar sus ricos y calientitos tamales oaxaqueños. Pruebe sus ricos y deliciosos tamales oaxaqueños.
Let the river flow.
Todo el mundo muy contento a bailar este cumbión. Pónganse a bailar esta noche fría con Takani in the house. It doesn't matter where you're from. Takani is for all of you.
So friendly. Nice. Okay. So मैं live भी था but my phone battery died. I was live. I'm so sorry. I had to cut the live. So now I can start vlogging. My phone really died. So sorry about that. अभी मैं live भी था लेकिन मेरा फ़ोन बिल्कुल बैटरी डेड हो गई थी उसकी, इसलिए अभी मैं व्लॉग कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ। वेरी कोल्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है। ओ माय गॉड, ऑलमोस्ट -20 है आई थिंक, पहले -16 था। सुपर डुपर कोल्ड। वाओ। अमेजिंग। आई थिंक यहाँ पे कुछ होने वाला है। लेट्स सी।
Sort of, yeah. Oh, they have apple cider. I forgot that I do like a lot of music in it. So maybe
He's doing what?
like loading. When they started singing loading, I was like, oh yeah, it's great.
Happy Solstice!
वाओ, अमेजिंग। फायर शो होने वाला है।
flammable. Stay warm. Light a man on fire. What is that? Light a man on fire? Yes. Build a man on fire, he's warm for a night. Set a man on fire, he's warm for the rest of his life. Seems like a good idea right now.
Wow. Amazing.
It's too cold even for the fire. Or fuel. Or the spicy water.
Spice.
new model circus army. Let's give it up right here with the the world, including all the performers. Today, Kensington Market. This word over to my friend, Colin here. Thank y'all.
So you are required, but the board. Yeah.
Talk amongst yourselves.
What's our first track?
No hands. No, I'm doing ground, not high sky.
Whoa.
Didn't get the ground though. None of the lines on the ground. Burning.
Let's go. You got space over there. Go. Dan, he needs a light. Luca would like a light. You got a spot there.
Just look how I feel that. What?
था फायर शो। आई होप आपने एंजॉय किया होगा।
I want to ask somebody else.
काफ़ी अच्छा गेटअप की। या श्योर।
He's 55, honey, but the time he gets
Ready. Ready. Okay, I'll go one close up. Okay, no problem, welcome. Sorry, इसकी फोटो ले रहा था. It's very cold. Nice Viking type getup है इसका. Vikings. Amazing, that was lovely. तो ये तो था केंसिंगटन फेस्टिवल जो कि हर साल होता है यहाँ पर। अभी ऑलमोस्ट ओवर हो गया है सब। आई होप आज का व्लॉग आपको पसंद आया होगा। इतनी ज़्यादा सर्दी मैंने कनाडा में नहीं देखी जितनी आज है, और ये लॉन्गेस्ट नाइट है इस साल की। तो ये हर साल होता है फेस्टिवल यहाँ पर। 1988 से स्टार्ट है। तो ये केंसिंगटन का एरिया है, बिल्कुल चाइना टाउन के साथ ही, ऑलमोस्ट चाइना टाउन ही है ये, लेकिन इसको केंसिंगटन बोलते हैं। ऑगस्टा स्ट्रीट। तो इसी के साथ ही मैं व्लॉग को एंड करता हूँ। काफ़ी कलरफुल अमेजिंग व्लॉग था, मैंने काफ़ी इंजॉय किया, लेकिन सर्दी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी सर्दी ने इंजॉय फिर भी नहीं करने दिया, लेकिन मैंने कर लिया। आई होप आपको भी व्लॉग पसंद आया होगा। कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दीजिएगा, और वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक भी कर दें। चैनल पर नहीं आए तो प्लीज़ चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इसी के साथ ही मैं इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। मिलता हूँ अनदर व्लॉग पर अनदर लोकेशन के साथ। टेक केयर। Yalla, bye. Bye.
Yeah, please.